everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cleaning the whole inside of this car with just one product. The Armor All Total Interior Detailer and Protectant. So not only is this going to clean up everything inside this interior, but it's also going to protect it from any UV damage in the future. Now this car is over 50 years old, but it's also been sitting in a shop for over a year after it was freshly painted. So it is super dirty. Now this product is going to be really put to the test today when we try to clean out this whole inside. Let's have a look. You can see all the dirt and grime that has accumulated over the years on all the different surfaces. The Armor All Total Interior Detailer and Protectant works on almost all surfaces, including plastic, rubber, vinyl, and it's actually even safe on glass and tech screens since it doesn't leave behind any greasy residues. Let's put it to the test and do some 50-50 comparisons. The best way to use it, spray it directly onto a microfiber cloth instead of the surface, so that way you don't get any overspray in any delicate areas. Look at that, the dirt lifts off, the surface actually looks clean and natural. It's not shiny or greasy, so you're not going to get any unwanted reflections or make any dust magnets. One of my favorite things about this product is that you can practically use it anywhere on the interior. Even high-touch areas like a shift knob, steering wheel, or even buttons, since it won't leave behind any residue. When we're done building this car, it's not going to be a garage queen, so we want to keep it clean and protected from UV rays, so that this 50-year-old interior can be enjoyed without worrying about any damage. Now this was an extreme case for using this Armor All Total Interior Detailer and Protectant, but it came out amazing. All we did was just a microfiber and this product. We cleaned everything up, wiped it down, it looks great, smells fresh, and now it's all protected, so we can finally finish up this project. Now this isn't one of those specialty products that you have to wait forever to get. You can actually just go to your local Walmart and pick it up. I'll have it linked down below. Worked out really well. I'm going to be using this on all my other cars as well now. It's quick and easy. If you need something to just spruce up your interior really quickly, this should be your go-to one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.